lesson 58, and so I know you look at the board and you're like, what are we doing today? Well, today we are going to learn how to add numbers that have more than 2 digits. So usually we're used to adding like 2 plus 8 or 1 plus 9. So that's how we normally add, but today we will learn how to add more than more than 2 numbers, obviously. And we will use what's called the associative property to add it up. So when you look at this, it looks super complicated. It looks hard, but it's actually not. So I will teach you how to break this down to where you can count it and add it up a lot easier and a lot faster. Okay, because we can say 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3. There is no way we can just add this up like that, right? I mean, yeah, you maybe could, but I'll show you how to break it down. So what we're going to do is break it down by tens. So I'm sure you've learned your sums of tens facts. So that's 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 0. Those are all the facts that equal to 10. So that's how we will do it. We will find when we see the problem like this, what we're going to do is find the facts that equal to 10 first. So let's go ahead. We have 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. Out of all of those, what are the ones that equal to 10? We have 9 plus 1, so I will connect. I will do it with the triangle. 9 plus 1, cross it out, and then put 10. We're crossing it out because we already added these numbers, okay? We don't want to double add the 9 and the 1. So we connected 9 plus 1, that equals 10. Let's go ahead and find another one. What are 2 other numbers that equal to 10? So we have 2 and 3 and 8 and 7 and 5. These are all additions, so you can just put 2 numbers together and it'll add. So which 2 would equal to 10 next? I hope you said 2 and 8 because those definitely equal 10. So let's put a 10, cross out 8, cross out 2. Okay? Another one, any other ones that equal to 10? So we have 3, 7, and 5 left. 3 and 7. So if you don't know your tens facts, you're going to have to learn them because that's going to help you to add this a lot easier. So we've got all the numbers. Now we have 5 by itself. There's nothing we can do with the 5. But now we can add this up. So we know we have 3 tens and then a 5. So we count 10, 20, 30 plus 5 makes it 35. That's how we add that up. 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 equals 35. We gathered all the tens together, and then whatever we have remaining, we just added it to our tens, and that gave us our answer. 10, 20, 30 plus that last 5 equals 35. Okay? Let's do with this one. So we have 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5. Whew, that's a lot. But this one's super easy. Let's go ahead and add our tens. So we have 1 plus 9 right off the bat, 10. 2 plus 8, 10. Remember to cross it out once you find your 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 4 plus 6 is a 10. All of these were 10s actually. And then 5 and 5 is a 10. So now we're just going to add those 10s up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this one equal to 50. That was super easy. Super easy. Okay, so that's what you do. When you see it, find your tens first. Yes, you could try to add it like this, but I can tell you now it might take a little while, might be a little longer, but if you find that it's easier to do that way, go ahead, but I'm just showing you a way to break it down, okay? All right, so 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. Let's identify our tens first. So the first one I have is, of course, 3 and 7. That makes 10. Do I have another 10 in here? I have 6, 1, and 4. 6 and 4 make a 10. I hope that's what you said. That's another 10. And now I have 1 left. So I have 10, 20, plus 1 makes it 21. So I could do 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 17 plus 4, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I could do it like that. If you want to break it down that way, you could, but this is an easier way to do it. If you know your sums of 10 facts. If you don't know your sums of 10 facts, that's where it will be a little complicated. But if you know the numbers that equal to 10, then you can identify them quickly. All right, so this is another way that you will see it written in your book, not only horizontal, but you also see it written vertically as well. But you still do the same thing. So find your tens. So we have 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8. Which of the numbers equal to 10? We can say 7 and 3 again equal to 10. Let's cross them out. We added those. We have 6 plus 2 plus 8. Any of those equal 10. 8 and 2 make 10. Cross it out. We only have a 6. So 10, 20 plus that 6 makes it 26. Once you get your 10, whenever you have a single digit, it should be easy to just apply. So if you have like 30 and then a 5, that's 35. You just add your 1, that single digit, into that 10. Okay, next I have 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2. So same thing, let's identify our 10s. Do I have any 10s? Yes, 9 and 1 make a 10. Okay, but that is the only numbers that make a 10. Okay, so now this one will be a little different to add up. Whenever you have one that only has one 10, what you can do is go ahead and add the next two numbers. So that will be 4 and 4. That equals 8. Then you'll do plus that last 2. So 10 plus 8, we know it's easy. That equals to 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. Or you could have did 4 and 4, 8 plus 2 makes another 10. But we're just going to focus on the two numbers that equal to 10. Okay, so this is how you break down these type of math facts. And so you will kind of have it in your book. And that's all you do. Identify your 10s first. And then add your 10s up. And then put, if you have a remaining digit left, go ahead and add that number to your 10s. And that'll be your answer. If you have an easier way, that's fine. As long as you get the right answer. This is just what the lesson required, that I teach it to you on this way, okay? So this is adding 2 or more digits. So that is math lesson 58. You can do your workbook page on today.